Hi there, Melody from WTI.
What if there was a syrup that was made into a pastille that coated your sore throat with all sorts of good stuff?
Well, SAMBUCOL did just that. So great in taste.
This easy to open package of 20 pastilles has so much goodness all wrapped up into one throat lozenge. Instead of having elderberry, honey, a little bit of vitamin C, then a little bit of D with some purple nutritional powder, you get to pop just one of these in your mouth for a long-lasting coating effect on sore throats. It boosts your immune system and it's a great addition to any medicine cabinet in the home. Now, if you're a parent looking for effective, tasty remedies for your kids, this is it. It's great for those over 4. My son's fussy and he loves this. So you've got it all in this pastille.
Long-lasting effects, great taste. Make sure you take it wherever you go. And it's part of the SAMBUCOL family that you're going to love. And that's our point of view.